There's something special about fall in western North Carolina. The air turns crisp, the mountains come alive with color, and the pace of life slows down just enough to let you take it all in. And right in the heart of that beauty, at the end of October, a brand new tradition begins, the Spirit of Wilkes. It's a celebration of community, history, collectibles, and of course, cars. Spirit of Wilkes is made possible thanks to some pretty incredible sponsors. First off is Call Family Distillers. They're carrying on the moonshine heritage that built this town, literally the moonshine capital of the world. Raymer Oil Company. They've been powering Wilkes County for generations. And First Sanitation Services, keeping our communities clean and shining. Without their support, this wouldn't be possible. I can't say thank you enough. Please let them know how much you appreciate their investment into our community. Imagine spending a weekend in Wilkesboro, surrounded by the red and gold colors of autumn and the Blue Ridge Mountains, and exploring row after row of collectible cars, from pristine restorations to well-loved survivors. Every vehicle has a story to tell. Stories of the people who drove them, the families who cared for them, and the generations they've inspired. But Spirit of Wilkes isn't just about cars on display. It's also about the hunt for treasures, antiques, rare car parts, vintage tools, and pieces of automobilia you wouldn't find anywhere else. For collectors and restorers, it's a chance to track down that one missing piece that completes a collection or project. For others, it's simply the thrill of discovery, wandering the aisles of vendors and stumbling across an item that sparks a memory, the must-have you didn't know you needed. And then there's the memorabilia, vintage gas pumps, neon signs, racing posters, license plates, all the little artifacts that capture the magic of motoring's golden age. Each one of them tells a story, and together they paint a picture of just how deeply automobiles have shaped American life. Of course, no gathering like this would be complete without good food and great fellowship. Spirit of Wilkes brings in food trucks and local favorites so you can grab a Carolina barbecue plate, a fresh snack, or a sweet treat while you soak in the atmosphere. But what really makes this event so unique is where it's held and the history it honors. North Wilkesboro Speedway is literally the birthplace of NASCAR. This is where racing giants like Richard Petty, Dale Earnhardt, and Junior Johnson carved their names into the sport. For decades, the Speedway was a centerpiece of the community. And even during the years when the track sat quiet, the spirit of racing in Wilkes never faded. The legacy of passion and perseverance is at the heart of Spirit of Wilkes. We're building something new, but rooted in tradition. This isn't just another car show. It's the first event of its kind, one that brings together the very best of Charlotte Auto Fair in the spring and Hornets Nest Auto Fest in the fall, and sets it right in the mountains during the most beautiful time of the year. Think of it as the ultimate weekend getaway, a chance to admire classic cars, hunt for rare parts, browse antiques, enjoy great food, and experience the breathtaking fall colors of western North Carolina, all in one trip. It's a chance to slow down, connect with friends and family, and sharing a love of cars and history that spans generations. Whether you're a lifelong gearhead, a collector, or just someone who loves to explore something new, Spirit of Wilkes welcomes you. Friday night is about to get even better. We're taking the party to the Call Family Distillers. They've got a great facility, great location, right at the end of a wide abandoned airstrip. Pretty cool place. We're calling it Cruise In at Call's Family. They've got a live band, great food, plenty of parking. The restaurant will be open. Bring your car, bring your friends, and let's pack the place out. This is where Wilkesboro car culture comes alive. If you'd like to be part of this historic first event, now's the time. Reserve your vendor space, claim your spot in the car show, or get your tickets today. Call our office at 704-841-1990, or you can Google Spirit of Wilkes, or follow the link in the description below to secure your place. Spaces are limited, and once they're gone, so I wouldn't recommend waiting. Can't decide right now? You can still register day of the event, but the best spaces go fast, and prices will be a little higher day of, so early registration is probably your best friend. We want to see you October 24th, 25th, be part of the first ever Spirit of Wilkes.